I'm feeling plus adjective. I'm feeling lost. I'm feeling full. I'm feeling shy. I'm feeling hot. I'm feeling sad. I'm feeling lost. I'm feeling sad. I'm feeling lost. I'm feeling sick. I'm feeling dull. I'm feeling lazy. I'm feeling free. I'm feeling hurt. I'm feeling tired. I'm feeling calm. I'm feeling cold. I'm feeling cold. I'm feeling lucky. I'm feeling loved. I'm feeling angry. I'm feeling bored. I'm feeling found. I'm feeling whole. I'm feeling thirsty. I'm feeling lonely. I'm feeling lonely. I'm feeling bored. I'm feeling happy. I'm feeling hungry. I'm feeling sleepy. I'm feeling broken. I'm feeling grateful. I'm feeling relaxed. I'm feeling unloved. I'm feeling unloved. I'm feeling restless. I'm feeling hopeful. I'm feeling curious. I'm feeling excited. I'm feeling content. I'm feeling jealous. I'm feeling anxious. I'm feeling insecure. I'm feeling satisfied. I'm feeling insecure. I'm feeling satisfied. I'm feeling relieved. I'm feeling focused. I'm feeling satisfied. I'm feeling insecure. I'm feeling confident. I'm feeling peaceful. I'm feeling defeated. I'm feeling hopeless. I'm feeling defeated. I'm feeling hopeless. I'm feeling stressed. I'm feeling energetic. I'm feeling confused. I'm feeling surprised. I'm feeling generous. I'm feeling motivated. I'm feeling determined. I'm feeling unmotivated. I'm feeling unmotivated. I'm feeling courageous. I'm feeling appreciated. I'm feeling disappointed. I'm feeling embarrassed. I'm feeling overwhelmed.